Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a t-shirt color in Canva. This technique is perfect for social media posts, product mockups, online shops, or even creating custom designs for your brand. Start by opening the Canva app. Tap Create a Design, then pick the format that fits where you plan to post. Instagram Reel is great for vertical content, short video works for quick clips, and custom size lets you dial in exact dimensions. If you're unsure, think about your platform first. 1080 by 192 pixels is a safe vertical choice, while 1080 by 1080 works well for square posts. Choosing the right canvas up front keeps your design sharp and prevents awkward cropping later. Next, upload your t-shirt photo. Tap the plus icon, go to Uploads, then Upload Media, and select your image from your device. A high-resolution photo with even lighting will give you the cleanest results. Avoid images with heavy shadows or glare if you can, as they can make color changes look patchy. Photos with neutral backgrounds also make it easier to isolate the t-shirt for editing. Bring the t-shirt onto your canvas and tap it to select. Choose Edit Image and scroll to Effects. If the background is busy or distracting, use Background Remover to isolate the shirt. Give it a moment to process, then zoom in and check the edges. Use the Refine tools to erase any leftover background or restore parts of the shirt that were accidentally removed. This step ensures your t-shirt looks clean and professional for your viewers or potential buyers. With the shirt isolated, explore the tools within Edit Image and Effects to adjust color. Many effects and adjustment sliders like saturation, temperature, tint, and sometimes hue can shift the shirt's tone convincingly. Make small, incremental changes and watch how shadows and folds react. That's where realism lives. For a more natural look, avoid extreme changes and try to maintain the highlights and shadows of the original fabric. Now, preview your design carefully. Zoom in and out and check that the new color sits naturally on the fabric. Highlights should still look lighter and shadows darker. If the code feels flat, ease off the saturation or bring a bit of contrast back. Look at the neckline, sleeves, and seams. These areas reveal color inconsistencies first. For added realism, you can also try layering slight gradients or adjusting tint in just the shadowed areas. If the shirt touches hair, hands, or props in the photo, make sure there's no color spill. A quick before and after glance helps confirm you haven't pushed things too far. Using a subtle check like this can prevent unnatural-looking edits that viewers or customers might notice. When you're happy, it's time to save or share. Tap Share, then Download. Choose PNG for images with transparency, especially if you remove the background, or JPG for a smaller file size. When posting on social platforms, set the resolution to the highest available for crisp results. Then tap Done. Your recolored t-shirt is now ready to post, present, or add to your online shop. And with these extra tips, you can make your designs even more professional and appealing to your audience. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new design tip or Canva tutorial. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. Love. If you have any questions, tips, or want me to cover a specific Canva effect in the next video, drop a comment below. I love hearing your ideas and helping you create amazing designs.